Hello, welcome back to another episode of American Farming. And today right now I'm feeding my cows. And it's kind of hard to get the right angle. Yeah. Couldn't do this in real life, but this is American farming. So you can do what you want. And the bale's stuck. Okay, now we're gonna try to get it unrealistic looking. Got it. Okay, now we're gonna roll it over and feed it to the cows. I already gave him one bale, so I'm gonna put this in the other feeder. I already put one there, so we're gonna feed the cows some silage now. I don't know how much I have, that's why I don't have many cows, because I'm afraid I'll run out of silage. So I planted a ton of corn, just waiting for it to get ready. I put some haylage in the silo. I'm wondering if anybody knows the answer to this. Can you use the bagger for silage? Because I'd use that for haylage then. The milk truck's supposed to come later today. It's about a load there. The trick is to go in second gear, because then it lasts pretty much the whole way down. Now they'll feed. Okay, we're pulling up to the co-op to get the fertilizer spreader, and it has nitrogen in it. And we're just going to pick this up and spread some nitrogen on our beans, hay, and some corn. I don't know if it'll be enough, but hopefully it is. And we're going home now. Okay, I have to quit spreading nitrogen because the milk truck's going to be here soon, and I have to tell him where the tank is because he doesn't know because he's never been here before because this is the first load. And here he comes. And that truck rolls a lot of coal. Pretty old truck. I respect that. I'm just gonna drive it up there. And yeah, I'm probably gonna back it in too, because who knows how good his backing's goes on. I don't want him to hit the green bin. Can you even see the milk tanks really? Okay, we're gonna back it in, because we're nice. And have good backing skills. That should be good. And there he goes. He accelerated fast and rolled a whole bunch of coal. I'm gonna throw it into a time lapse of spreading nitrogen on corn. Okay, we made 7,000 on milk, and now I have calves. They were born while I was spreading fertilizer, nitrogen. So we gotta feed them now too. These cows wanted her dad feed. My packing skills are insane. It's actually kind of crazy. Now these cows won't starve to death because now they have feed. But anyway, thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And see ya.